Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have 2 to the power of 24 minus 1. We just convert this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we rewrite this algebraic expression as, because here we have 2 to the power of 24 and we write it as 2 to the power of 12 and its whole square minus 1. Here we just use this nice exponential law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So we just convert this 24 as 12 times of 2. So now in the next step, here our main target is to find the value of 2 to the power of 12. So in this question I will show you a very nice trick uh, in which you can use this trick. You can easily find the value of 2 to the power of 12 without using the calculator. So you know that if we have 2 to the power of 1, it is equals to 2, and we know that 2 to the power of 2 equals to 4, 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8, 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. So if you focus on these values, then you see here 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. It means that if you get the next value, then you just multiply the previous value by 2. It means that you have 2 times of 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It means that you get the multiples of 2. So now we expand this 2 to the power of 12 in this way. So here we proceed this 2 to the power of 4 up to the 2 to the power of 12. So here if we find the value of 2 to the power of 5, so it means that we multiply this 16 by 2 and we get here 32. Similarly, we have 2 to the power of 6 equals to 64, and similarly we proceed this into the 12th power, and here we have 2 to the power of 7 is equals to 64 to the 128, and similarly 2 to the power of 8 is equals to 256, and 2 to the power of 9 equals to, here we double this 2 to the power 56 and we get here 512, and similarly 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1024, and 2 to the power of 11 equals to 2048. So finally we just get here 2 to the power of 12 is equals to 4096. So you have this value. So we get 2 to the power of 12 is 4096. So now we replace this 2 to the power of 12 is 4096. So now our above equation is written as in this form: 4096 and its whole square minus 1. So now in the next step, you see here this is the square, and now we rewrite this expression as 41,000 or 400 and 4100 and minus 4. If you subtract 4100 minus 4, you will get here 4096 and its whole square minus 1. And now in the next step, here we just use the nice square identity to this term. So when we apply this nice identity, you know about this one. If we have a minus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. Here we use this nice formula to the first factor. So after applying this formula, our first factor will be written in this form: 4100 whole square and plus 4 square minus 2 times of 4100 into 4, and this is our minus 1. And here in order to find the 4100 square without using the calculator, you first focus on 41 square. We know that 41 square is equals to 1681, and when we take the square of 4100, you just double these 0 and you get here 16810000 and 0. So it means that the square of 4100 is equals to 1681 and 4 times of 0. So we just replace the square term here and we will write it as 1681 and 4 times of 0, plus here we know that the square of 4 is equals to 16, minus here we multiply this 2 by 4 and we get here 8 times of 4100, and this is minus 1. So now this term is implies that we have this term by this, and now first we just write this term as it is 16814 times of 0, and here we multiply this 8 by 4 4100. So when you multiply 8 by 4100, we will easily get the value is in this form 328 and 00. And here we have 16 minus 1, so 16 minus 1 is equals to plus 15. So now in the next step here we first subtract this value by this value by traditional method. So here we just write our traditional method of subtraction here. So now first we write the value 16814 times of 0, and after that we write here 32800. So we just write here this is 0082 and 3. So first we subtract these two values. So because here we use the traditional method, so 0 minus 0 becomes 0, so this 0 minus 0 becomes 0, and 0 minus 8 is not possible. So here we 10 and we carry 1 here, so this will becomes 9 and this will becomes 0. So 10 minus 8 becomes 2 and 9 minus 2 becomes 7, and because this is 0 minus 3 is not possible, we carry 1, it will again becomes 10, this will become 7. So 10 minus 3 becomes 7, and this is also 7, 6 and 1. And now finally we just add plus 15 in the final answer. So here when we subtract these two values, we will get here 16777 and 200 and plus 15. So now we add these two terms. So when you add 200 plus 15, so we will get here 215. So when we add these two values here, so finally we will get here 1677721 and 5. So this is the our required simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.